Hey, hello! Welcome back to Cottage Cake. Today we'll be crocheting this easy overall jumper pattern. This should fit almost any 10 cm doll. For this tutorial, I used number for weight yarn and a 3.5 mm hook, but in case you have number 3 yarn similar to this, I also made another pattern adjusted just for that. Check the description below for the free pattern PDF and more. Starting with the foundation chain, create a slip knot and chain 10. Quick tip, use a slightly larger hook. In this case, I used a 4 mm hook so that the foundation chain is slightly loose. This will help make pulling loops through these chain stitches much easier later. To make a middle seam, half double crochet into the first chain. Tip: if you want to make a dress instead, skip this half double crochet and replace it with chain 1. Now chain 10 again. Lastly, pull this loop through the first bump behind chain 1. Row 1, chain 2. Then, make 20 half double crochets into the rest of the back bumps of the foundation chain. Slip stitch back into chain 2 to complete the row. Row 2, start with chain 2. Then make 2 double crochets. Next, create 3 half double crochets. Now make 11 single crochets. Again, create 3 half double crochets. Lastly, make 1 double crochet and slip stitch back into chain 2. This finishes row 2, or the bottom section of your overalls. As a bonus, if you want cute shorts or pants, you can chain 1 and cut right at this part. Pair it with a crochet top, or maybe this cardigan right here. Row 3, slip stitch 2 times. Then for the straps, we'll be making stack single crochets. To make a stack single crochet, pull yarn from the next stitch. Then pull yarn through the 2 loops on your hook. Now pull yarn from the next loop. Then pull yarn through the 2 loops on your hook. Repeat this stack single crochet 5 more times, for a total of 7 stack stitches. Now this completes the first strap of your overalls. Next, turn your work and count 5 stitches to skip. On the 6th stitch, make 1 double crochet. Continue with 4 more double crochets, for a total of 5 double crochet stitches for the front panel. To make the second strap, we will make 7 stack single crochets again. To start, pull yarn from this middle loop of the previous stitch. Then pull yarn through both loops on your hook. Then, like before, pull yarn from the next loop and pull yarn through both loops on your hook. Repeat this stack single crochet 5 more times, for a total of 7 stack stitches to finish your second strap. Now, we turn our work again, count 5 stitches to skip, and slip stitch into the 6th stitch. Slip stitch 2 more times. To finish, you can chain 1 and cut here, or pull the loop through the next stitch. Cut the yarn. Slip it through the loop and pull to finish. Weave in any loose yarn. And there we have it. Easy crochet overalls for your 10 cm doll. Again, if you have a thinner or lighter weight yarn, don't forget to check out the adjusted pattern and the free PDF. Comment below for any requests, and check out the description for more tutorials and resources. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and see you on the next one.